Okay, we got a 2019 Dodge Ram 1500 to arm the system. You're gonna hit lock. What we end up doing here, we end up installing the shock sensor add-on, because this car comes with this beautiful remote control and you don't have to do anything. You can just walk up and open the door, keyless to go. It's got the remote start, he's got everything. The only thing is missing is just an impact sensor added to the factory alarm. So if anybody breaks any of the windows or tries to bust out the lug nut locks to steal your tires, or if the truck falls in the bricks after removing the air out of the tires to steal them, that will trigger the alarm. So because what happens is these trucks from factory, they come with the factory alarm only if the door is open, but they don't have any type of impact sensor. So you can destroy this whole truck and nothing will happen. So the way it works is I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the front tire. That will disable the, that will turn off the factory alarm. And it also protects all the windows. If anybody tries to bust out a window or try to bust out the key lock, it will fire off the alarm. So it gives you a bumper-to-bumper protection pretty much. The back window also. So when it is fully adjustable, you can adjust the shock how sensitive you want it. We normally do it for the customer, but we like to show the customer where to adjust it in case he wants to go up and down a little bit. So that's pretty much it. This is the shock sensor add-on to these brand new 2019 Dodge Ram. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And thank you for watching this video.